Hello, agus fáilte hiig Na Seansálaithe mas mailh seansa lacu glaciad Na Seansálaithe is mise Hugh me gile cheada a ras a rís libhnis tuid sacraíonis a hanéon méidin déanacht agus cé chu dalbas a bhí muid an chatings Fáilte le Eagrán seachtainí formidé le is ar go góras in every sense an focail. Tá man seo lehuid cóleacia lehuid chuide ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtí mar tú.
Get a bit flustered actually when my Jerry go my gym and taffet is very rehalia on gym as you know ta achna Hugh libh Trona so beer venture on arm so yeah get book a foot in the hatch actually.
Listen, ní fanan an pod da aon dunne. Tá muid an proficiente agus tá am ddíríogging agus ní chuirmid stop le aon rud. Agus a country thing tá an proficiente tá man seo fásta le James ó Flatharta. James, go mar tú?
I think I've been an intro short from my phone.
Yeah.
And an proficiente, which is complete break, like, but you know, we'll take it.
I think sinna fág go Róisea gur bheith sinna fágur this is right because it was like that
I'm so flustered, I'm so gunny flustered. So, you know. I think been just personality trait now. But no, yeah, come on so far, so yeah. Yeah,
Tá tú flustered mar go tú arcar aon í gáilta mis agus aine sinna fág just, you know.
100%.
Is Dillion Seala a bheith in our good sex symbols is the Gaelic, you know.
I tell you, it's a hard being the ugly duckling of the Chancellor.
Dúspáir agus seo like what a tonal shift a bheith seo, but listen, caiimiid seo lei agus cos, you know, ring an tafad ar an aníos or an Eagrán journal an aníos Fáilte agus ó náam sin chaimid thing an táhaachta thing a well, ní rud é an bhí an táhaachta. Yeah, well, I mean, like, leach
simple náisiúntaachas
pillar
ra ar gríthe
gan doubt them country Bród an wádú bhí gan run fly high rí tá se gcónaí brnach nar fáin like obviously tá gcónaí brn ar fáin modú bus a siadm like leis de wádú sin le Bród agus misna bhí si like níos gláte ríis mar gur bula migaldaí iad agus tá sé sin chóbug is iad sin chó mór so it was like céhéan pata.
Bhí siad an cúpla bliain ó hin so is Bród a siad a bhí anar dús as an sin for siad a bás so for siad misnach mar carabug the Bród agus bhí mis an a puppy bugger dús agus bhí se gcóí rihart í Bród like kind of gurí like smacht a career and bhí siad có cute le chéile so ní sin like misnach bocht fága.
Well, cai siad in is carabug gal da misnach in is cai.
I'd say during go.
Cén aine be capan si bh mé ar an madú Seán Ken.
Ru an galanta Gaelach arís bhí gon ar
Mortas. Scalog.
Just like I think honestly Chris that's more the version so I kind of resent this mission of Bród is Mortis that Chris up chin so if he goes to Mortis Tim should fan let's more so I'm not going to be happy with the
Cuis ar nás go an gáú seans go nácé gan aige le clóbe gan an gáú.
Yeah, well, hopefully need, you know. Goi ruad. Got ruad.
Beart Ganzi is Shalu Higa James la you know Kelda you know la almost a horse star. Shit what? Shit on chat the Gianni.
Oh yeah, half the gym.
Yeah.
Classic James move.
Listen, I think I want to assault us. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Nes ten kid go wain to extra small dash and with the style actually. Not why running it. Ní cheapam go mín cai an oversized costum hey.
No, I'd look at more meals a hollow and then was an hammer gun.
Éisiúil hart a chat leis a nightcap agus a conil bug and a massive carú
cos le wee Willy Winky.
Yeah. Ebenezer Scrooge na rudí art. Si bit sin gas. That's cé fá me gairí ar chu ce seo ach ar chail sibse máú rio fásta le an ro máú agus sigus an sin chailtar iad.
Well nó an madúta goin inis an céad pat go bhí agam mo héal. Tá mu se ionta journa ag an bhil seach is beidir bí a thuirt de cuit bhí Áine nó se an céad ar ghfuil madú agan sa te. So na hí lomsa í tair bí agamsa le pat a gaiint go dtí seo.
Sin crackáilte.
Yeah, chomud amada. Rud faoin nuair chomud amada ná. Bhí me sé meid go lufa ná, right? Agus ní raibh phone now, because bhís my phone. It's like so like agus is bíad an freezy and like I loved it like it was just so annoying my mother. It wasn't like loving initial time mother time for leor Alfie.
Yeah.
Agus get this hoi wa her Tyson at a mother show. Bíad an Facebook phone agus Tyson tam doomed from the start. Okay? So we miss my gloves. You know, phone because obviously he had my glove rich from a phone.
Where's Gart?
It's leading sort of every answer day. So you know, in point of contact, I'm winter. Let's go ring our mad phone card. So from a hard like missed calls when we winter like couple or in lays. You should like no. I think we should actually get a contact. Took my to the phone. Like she's like really wagging at the phone. So you're like, oh no, like Momo dead. Like Dorothy's mental totally, and then just a wild. Oh, that Tyson, he's real more agus wall chora. So I'm like, thank fuck. So we should like at least need my movie on. So that's the really fiance. Then I realized grow up the bossy. So for my kid, I wake up shit. But
Tyson or Flatharta.
Yeah, I didn't know how
Bison more like.
He was Bison Sraith, which in the álainn anyway, like a god. Agus dog was Bison, like it.
Oh my god, James! That's in a rat.
God.
Oh,
like Jin from the mother thing in this Alfie is which I really bug is like Emma clear on high Mawala, so I loved him ever since. So yeah. I love Toys impression like, but like if you want like what to pick him what more no mother what over full spill like
And Tussagly Tyson here.
No, this my matter. Like it's I'm an Ufa so come beat on Facebook. I guess in fairness, doing from the start, we should whole aggressive freshen. So suit our Tyson as you're like, you're too cute to be Tyson, anyways. Though, like you're so like he was. We should just get a bit aggressive, meal and him. Should not blame them.
And you live up to the name.
Yeah.
Agus sure. She might have a whole Alfie and model thing in it east, even though first of all, you know, I had evil girl in the model show. But now
I've been
he's a primary carer role. Agus Alicia Alfie and Meall as Alfie Moon as EastEnders. Yep.
It's James Ernst for this Rio gur is Bradam da her. I think just go kai shave racha gur size icon.
Does Ishmael James answered mysterious? Does she kusle the Thig like just close him with Redagan for who ahan couple of me. But the mission in here, like, if you picture the Curlicala mentioned, like, Niscom, care dark and she'd cause this. That's going to be leor if we highlight Hugh. So, Tyler, James, co mysterious. Like, I had our Arkham picture a current in heart. I'm like, oh, Tajera Frella, James, like, who knew? Neil to be highlight coming. It's very like jigsaw. I'm Jenny here's a picture of Curlicala.
Yeah, because I'm the golden child. Peter shouldn't consume so.
Okay.
That's their job.
I feel like not if you isig child like James for Hugh no mahin. It's just this other part of his life.
I'd say
I would hope so. It's Virginia primary carers, James, so I'd hope to know
that Monday Kushko James was bio.
The ship shit had a payroll like that.
Yeah. Mis fel €10 sa seachting leis an pád seo dhéanú ó dúirt tuis marí.
Mis fel trocha.
What? Sorry, cum sé leir leis na Flathartas.
Tá sé bird agé frigat inis má bhí NDA sign agé, so.
No.
Oh, no.
Dan mat a géisteart. Not back. It's all good.
But definitely the Asian shit. This show wrote my rat. I just see them on like James. I'm convinced. I bet you not should few onions, I guess, while you.
No.
Tyson.
Bartholomew, actually.
You're Tyson.
And Tyson me cheart bhí builte go chear. Anyway.
What a car, mission.
Agus bhí do bháú hala me go libh.
Cíle 100 is.
Yeah.
Jenna seo bhád í smó cíal.
Because idea nach granny bhí an rough.
Tell you.
No. The mátí grid.
Jason, it's a hero. Pata, rewog it.
Bhí pata agam, bhí holly bugs agam yogan, bhí holly car, agus golden cocker spanna bhí an si, agus bhí like ahan rud mí ceart leithe. It was like, bhí she like dal, bhí she epileptic. I don't know, cén able to an the bheith na dhé rud sin gnám cearna. Bhí she like size bore. Bhí like brain damage ekki, bhí ahanrod, bhí just like an mage and stuff me cart leiche, like runt cart a bhí an si don litter cos formagy agus bhí like, you know, bhí like litter da like cocker spaniels agus bhí ahanla cinna eile acu dú agus hálín cinna bhain golden a bhí tí litter agus an sin like bull carry na vision saw but like she all right whatever, but I don't know, not maybe she all right she like brain damage of the ass, but like she gefalled pure but like war she like she heart fishing agus but we like proper like we proper like for it agus taru ogi than wadu like vi she like an talag agus vi dingy chalk the stra hun like slan or like vi she like it's icon of and she like vi she more all farst on Chila. There was fully like feel like living wake doing done wadu.
Wait, solar curse of she seeing it?
Yeah. Well, okay. Just for she
Nirodin Chasha or Kurtig like Kerp Maru Seki.
No. Just
weird though.
Bouchin weird. Bouchin weird. The Rosha Mar.
Oh, but DJ Ashtak girl living way cocoon.
Listen. Vin Madu Chinjigs vi dingy Gary Chalk the Shah la Abersland.
Just picture on Madu or no. It just cannot meatball on. Good meal. Rush is not that good. I mean, she epileptic dog.
August brain damaged.
Sean Rhodes, right?
Just shooting people circles around their kids.
Basically, Sean Rhodes like Neil Sogum, Niama V Tummel on shot Niama get to break this. The where my sheer chapakara agus V you know car being like Fanyaga Darsha agus you know being in Madus these like utility room the running machine so cool don cha agus hug me like wave bug don Madu agus lan and Madu Malao like la Sulasaku agus ring Misha Jarmud go Madi and unable to fecal agus like Bonu Getch asamsa ik fecal Madu shah ag lan Malao. He was like, whoa, can't I hear the session? And then ring my Jarmud go bait just my Wadu hain and not run on shini henu. Agus like vi komme an a different RE o like cocker spaniels ella. So like they're effect so like, you know, grech and he's you know, sa sale and there's like a muisa fark na ding toward my live show and the machine like beams the cost like can't come with her a wadish like urgent ho at agus be come yogum se shimo wadis a dark atch agus an the ella a dark slant.
Why should come a wad all?
The kind of wadu a el.
I wish ta cónar má wadu fi láthair mar gur si an snip an chatan seo agus is fúla hí é si búlú sean an rud agus ní am de clúiste le Tá sé go granar as an sin a bar sin tá limpeí fi láthair si mu féidir gur le bhrisí costaí nuair dagan tá siad códír sceannar Nuirtí agus sa dad in is rá like bhí nó mé arcas.
Seo é an fógra is mó le úsáid an fís don pod inis. Má taúir Spotify na má tá YouTube agad. Téigíar an fíis agus arc ar an modú seo, oh my god.
Will she row rum le peochas sús or something or?
No, she just a bit awkward.
Oh, will she
come on.
coolach?
Come on, Alfie.
Tá dúlí na.
Alfie. Dudley again.
Tá dúlí.
Alfie. Hi, Alfie.
Alfie. Timmer tattoo. Shaw
She's
and
so
Rod is fair.
cute.
Shaw.
Okay, you can go.
You've done your bit.
Shaw an e-specialist fair bheogan Rio Sheelam Alfie.
Yeah.
Bronarm dahi, Bronarm
Bronarm
Bronarm Shane, Bronarm Andala e ala bheogan ach sé Alfie and e is fair a bheogan inis.
Níos bhfuil Alfie.
Oh, I'd say 9, 8, 9.
Oh, okay, she's angler.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and you're so happy to me all. We shall see now come an offer Gay Bailey. Because when I say he is a pig, he's in cha hollerud. Like being just Bailey on like it's been my see she's brown the telly. I just seeing Chanaklo.
Yeah.
And then like being just stare on her because he got hans my back here.
Well, see, tá sin béach léim in móádú sús ar an bláta. Mar tá si fós ní si ach sé mí, so sin si go jiggly rud a bí go mílí anu. Íhann si anrad. Just I can do James McGinch did Hugh go cone ar hí fud láthair.
Yeah.
Just I can do cone a tá sús ar an tabla. Agus an lábhíar dí si ías. Can you is gom gur fiú hahan ías le madi? Hí me gur sin rud the quit. Who knew?
Curnan canseo ar fád cimhní agam sa gaiimiid ar ggóthirdeas a gáil le tá modú anad hehaachta chuna bhéon an weharnis tá brandy modú an Kerry Cowboy sinna Sullivan tá lenamh le bheith aici so gaonmuid ar céad chothirdeas leis an clanní cowboy leis na lenahúr a bheith acu níos le brandy bug so gunne.
Agus be ceart na seansalaithe bheith na godparents ar an mátain.
Ó ring mission bags here.
Jenny mu job ínta.
Na bí éanam neart bit ring mission bags here so higlinge le cheile. Sim go gaiim mission mo wadú héna hispáint. Caima just le solar chispan an pactar seo díomh.
Okay.
Caima se intidíomh nachró so tá like changas aquí mahas bell saki sa picture shop but ní hé sean dóibhí si gcónaí because I think dar because an dóibhí má fléin sin cheappa gro just an changa bhí aquí gcónaí but seo just an picture warma so sin bhád bhí agam. Holly bug so gnne. Shout out to Halls.
Táis pani mé má wadú go tá si códú nach dig le súla sa eá le leor picture.
Oh my god.
Yeah, dí si rohas cón fao Nelly Weir, Nelly bug. Yeah, she's fed up now.
What is it finishing of dogs versus cats and the cats versus dogs?
Cats versus dogs? Yes.
Yeah.
Absolute classic.
It's be confusing for each end, the image for us, right? Me off the film shin, go males look of your mother, agus go females at quit.
I suppose that quit answered feminine is sultry, no?
Yeah. Agus it's embarrassingly Sean because he won my mach nach ben an case.
Go on, can you show too?
Oh, I'd say come easy doig.
Oh my god.
Doig.
Every lady in the tram.
Oh
you
my god.
To and scan no.
Also, tá má Harvah cinse go bhfuil na dé modú or an modú agus an cat cats and dogs go should birch fur to my Harvah kinche go and birch agu.
Yeah, I don't know, could be wrong with James Jr., but I think we're cannot slow. We might just like near my go process already, I don't think.
That well to solar la fact. Solar look question. It's a like meme and scan and in my just because chap mo Chiap dinge de argad cardiac or like scanning nachwaka ein dinge but it was like kind of the scan is like I know good there's this end nach was affect good cats and dogs but chiap she grow like indie darling or whatever that rough like nar holla anything if we so we should like hos if we scan on shaw cats and dogs agus literally a handle thing like I'm hossing like shade on your Jake like quick Jake going being like yeah there's a fact going be jogging your videotape class that an le seal
No, dá sé cos a char cheim sin nach idir film sin fresin mé bhí se I think rom se rálam cá a faoi like cúpa pléanochan agus sé lu breanúm go like go weirdo ma so cheim se go actually ruta kins go dream ma súsa a nurse kins that actually film just all the sham dreams things but yeah
Actually
so
tá
I had
sin
to go
feice
say
gom.
thing is that for you
Tá sé feice gom. Tá sé bhí mis muitir a hotel for dogs. Tá cats and dogs feic gom. Mar bhíoh sé mar an big movie goní naró. Cats and dogs.
the had going more big movie yeah
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
throwback absolute throwback I'm telling you this well scanning a be oguf mar sin a bhí oguf like our videotape agus like capan tú nach will roll feck it like we'll ein scan like our covad
Yeah.
a reach is a reach can't scan a visha
So bhí lagan agamsa de Rudolph agus ní dóilm gur bé lagan é bud hí me nach an lagan seo feici dinner bí eile agus tá sé fós agam mar video fós é brise. Nílas go an lagan céin agus se an chuim mat céint lagan bhí agam de Rudolph.
Nero ein lag an so but an bay and kin claimation of yoga
No, so sin an can bhí ahandan an can claimation, but an can grogam se bhí ó an nólog Paul McCartney on. So
what
it was cool. Yeah, bhí sé an why I swear to God bhí cartoon watch party anyway.
do you mean as in like an kin magical Christmas time you'll see
yeah.
so ten orange
So
is
it's
the
pretty legit like my say growing orange on yeah.
Bhí mis go rá cinál ceán Disney I think wa cuiimú Bambi so
I think a bay
How could you mix up Bambi and Rudolph?
tá am si go seo
Sean can
yeah sinna kin oh tash ví fe gum yeah ví RTE go
so sé sin sá cos le Bambi ná fairness
an can sin aonanta.
and reindeer hardly coslish and deer she's crazy
exactly it's only missing a bit of rain
Who shall go cartoon ar can bhí Sean?
a fan I
Cilína
think
fella tuairt mu inirsta.
I think a guy would I befrelum watch parties anu like watch parties be all does that couple of scan on the I think of it and deadly and scan the ogums and many saw I go was the Tigger movie or what should you the Tigger movie
Yeah.
yeah
Wonderful thing about Tiggers.
but nach will shach ho bronach though
Yeah.
because basically beach is like what's a fact it's a James now we'll give you a good
I think it would yeah
but basically beach is like and Rod Omlan is fui ashni core through Tiggers ella I guess you just find your mock
Yeah. And John Scanlon Lake.
I could you just find the mod nachwil ein Tiggers ella I could just go like
Tigger one.
Bisha la Shane because nachwil like ein child basically but it's like oh tahaj courage in the child
And he's one of a kind, but he's like ní meguriva just lumhain.
yeah no visha tasha intain ta bronach but no achwalling gomore but yeah vi sin fecka gum like the mealture agus fast the meet the Deedles or how should we meet the Deedles
no
meet the Deedles scanning la Paul Walker vion agus visha basically fui the lad shaw like comedy like milchna like visha ho walk but dirt shot it was like Disney scanning agus vi just milchna so ma find an chance nach of a day nach of a day chuige pa Dennis Hopper on like Robert England is in like Freddy or like Nightmare on Elm Street like just scanning ho ashta like but yeah can't scan a view to James every first was
okay so the horse going on one is Con cheappa nach feici éine agus it's one of my chong the films is sure ach ma riomh ach an problem bhí amsa leis na form a cholle fact fin film míchart so na astroí so bhí ma like oh watch film show le Denzel Washington agus le Paul Walker agus sin we like need ein film on le Denzel Washington Paul Walker like no tá 100% yeah tá law-abiding citizen. Jamie
James.
Foxx ag Jared Butler. So we were like, agus bhín scale completely míchas am. Agus bhí me cuiimú rís, like, this is another made-up film in my Hogan, and I should be a director in their skins because I have such good stories. But no, just for my whole effect, bio. I think for my band míchas version, Nissan can't handle my man, but like, even on plot, for my plot míchas, even though it's affect I'm here doing it.
Oh my god.
On chin on fish on film bhí fáing níos agus tá brnarm bhfuil siod an film is fear ever mar den óg Brother Bear.
Oh
yeah, we should come on.
Yeah.
We shouldn't go near a big movie. Come on.
Tell everybody
I'm
on my way.
New places and things to see.
Absolute bangers.
Fucking
Nothing bangers.
Phil Collins is given origin. Like, sinna get a class in film shot. Like, hits me around the feels.
Agus Joaquin Phoenix of bhí nach bé.
What?
Joaquin Phoenix. That's because it's in like Joker, like own.
No, I know it doesn't get Joaquin Phoenix, like, but you should.
Ash.
Sinna Brother Bear.
Sinead and Gerhard Bear. Sinead.
Really?
Yeah.
Anig solon sort of ready enach sénis.
You never know. La Joaquin book so you.
I think we can live action go Brother Bear in.
Meanwhile, what on the scan sin fecky good
No, kind of bit.
On the live actions.
Yeah.
Lig feic agamsa.
Capsic was a shite.
Is mylum cuidicu? Is mylum Aladdin?
No.
Le Will Smith mar Genie? No?
No, near Wylam shouldn't.
Well, live action going
Oh,
on.
Niaki to it.
Hannig Vishay, New Walk the Sage, the whole of the Sophie James.
No.
I don't know why. It's had Naomi Kintyne from band mar Jasmine.
Denzel Washington.
Denzel Washington.
That's the one.
Sorry, she can be on. No, Hannig machine, agus Hannig ma the Lion King, agus Cap ma grown shite.
Stop.
Actually,
yeah.
There's my nachher ma go brand the Lion King because Nima got a vida or main okay. So
fair. Yeah. Just Urker and Shankin. That's Shannon Malu told him. No, Cap Mish gross shite. Because at 5 of Yogum Lion King was so like obviously like the Shan Kinney or whatever. It's just like super animated, whatever, to like gone to in the savannas, gone to in Africa, whatever. Agus and Shane se live action kin like ní higla anmhíthe na móchan céarna sin a heispan or whatever. So bitch just plain faced lions a gal cost la. Why are you leaving the tribe? This is the word. Sean Rudd is massacre fred la the yenu. Sean Rudd is massa a harla du Rio. Tama cree vrishte and gan ein ahru or any saku or Harvey. Looks me like shock. Oh crap! Like
and like baby Simba, it kind of like, and I just can't wait to be king.
And literally, and a Kierna, I just can't wait to be king. Just Arkansas Milton.
Can I get a girlfriend Simba?
Can Tanya be your girlfriend Simba?
Yeah.
Oh, Mrs. Simba.
Because like Hugh,
Nala. Agus
yeah.
Tassim to go Red James.
Is she kind of attractive?
There was a bit of a,
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
I get that.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, na quit, ta she the lig sultry.
Ain't that sultry? And Castor walking with my Twitter and Shin region shocking was Kane hear me out is massive target. Like, Kane character or Scana, no like telefish or whatever. Agus facking to you, then you're like, I know Arkansas all, but hear me out. Pretty like
What about your TikTok has been Miss Mitch Martian then? Funny make on a new.
Anya's definitely an isk do. Oh
no, it's not that controversial.
It's
not that controversial.
In Latch and like in kind of you see an aquarium, she can
they're cool, like
yeah.
Slick.
Should crush you again, yeah.
So Will Smith or Shark Tale.
Nish J-Lo is Shark Tale nish. Now we're cooking.
Now,
Mhm.
just during your rug, we've had to shake Áine go, yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Bhí ceanna gom de as Pokémon and everyone ní roiú
As Pokémon.
Ní roiú crush go mar animated fish.
Can hear me out as master because James can thing like non and character that like you shouldn't be into that you like actually
I don't know. Like
James, take out just Mary Berry. She's all right. Take him with Jay.
well,
Mission controversial,
along those lines,
though.
probably Aunt May of Spider-Man because such a loving is
But hold on a second though. Hold on. Ken Toby Maguire na ken Marissa Tomei sna scan an uair.
Or Emma Stone. Oh, she's Gwen.
No.
Yeah. No, Aunt May. And the mother figure.
Oh my gosh, I'm going with MJ.
No.
That's a normal thing there.
Yeah. That's no need to hear me out. Tamaja Geisha.
No,
We are right. We've already heard.
I totally missed the point then. Hear me out, show. He may go just kind of be ready like Bojack Gaginrod and not feel like really fancy.
No, it's really fancy. Yeah, Aunt May's and the Toby Maguire scanning. Shouldn't kin conspuja. Jerings shouldn't shot catch my actually. Do you know actually? I'll get shot.
Praise. Oh my god, come on, man.
Not my mission. Or Hannick Swiss slash up. Kate nar Hannick my Swiss slash just lay my a. Tam just ho clish immersion. Catch my. I meant as in catch my a cause near Sweeney my or Cade my friar. Shin fire. Not Margaret Genius May. I think Wallace Ginger Genius May. And friar at the Ogumse is Tá clíthe ar an PlayStation agus chance agus the James of chance gent Mass Effect or a real Emerton clíation. Mass Effect is like basically like Game of Thrones in space or whatever. It's like this mental epic like sci-fi like brother whatever. Unbelievable. So deadly. After like couple of alien on or whatever because Arkin should like like robots scan A&E and like the dingy garm and all this stuff with like horns and all this kind of crack whatever. Especially kind of like you know what? Tally could get it. Shinnerod and robot ban at like asthmatic or whatever is the face like a cracking a her model air. So literally just learn to Marshall time before it was kind of like Tally Chishma do Kade Queen mask. Come on, let's get
along the same lines. Futurama on
100%.
Polynesian Sulawan.
Yeah.
Listen,
1,000,000%. We might actually go in the games fucking is Tomb Raider.
Oh, but I think
what was puberty Tomb Raider? That's the fact.
I think it was ní shouldn't hear me out though. I think it was looking your father girl Lara Croft.
No, on film Tomb Raider we like, oh my god, that in Ronat. I shouldn't actually ban Michael Fassbender, I think. I thought Tomb Raider.
Angelina Jolie.
No, on John New.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't
no.
Like
again, there more actors smeared.
Yeah, ní Mr. You might really come to for still in this okay.
Yeah. So Hosm should give us the game in Tomb Raider and then he shaft and Emirates be my marha. So on puberty wall map Asian games numbers.
Whacked. Absolutely what do you call it? Just whack out puberty who. Deadly. Okay, Áine, took my chance weighing out of this. K and thing are fancy into Nar cartage fancy out.
Benedict Cumberbatch.
No, session. No, take him session.
I got stuck again though. And it need shock Taring talk meowler good characters I get. Like meowler character, sure. Like then you're like, oh yeah.
And
Tanium Tower fans get
the Cumberbitches.
Bitches.
That dirt to Benedict Cumberbatch at Sherlock, I'd be like, incorrect. Ní sin hear me out or Harvey or Benedict Cumberbatch in Doctor Strange. I'd be like, not a chance. No, but no, or Harvey. But that hurts to Benedict Cumberbatch in The Hobbit, Desolation of Smaug, and when he's the big Natasha and Snake All War. Nurse Ashen and Snake All War. Then I'd be like, that's a shit hear me out.
Yeah.
I heard you go Ed Sheeran to she linging
Ní mai ceart. Sin ban Michael Fassbender an ban Alicia Vikander í mar Tomb Raider.
Agus harósa go Jared Butler agus Jamie Foxx.
Well, in fairness, no. Like, that Denzel Washington the whole film, so bhí mar like...
In fairness, Tasha, bíonn a hanet.
Bhí se bam either Denzel Washington agus like Taylor, like Will Ferrell Marotta, and probably 50% chance go for Cap.
Carusha's least the Scottish.
Bhí mar definitely makers.
Bhí 200% me card. Right, heard you go. She didn't give a shit because kind of re. What do you call it? The prior appointment of him to finish.
It's a date.
No, ní hey. Jesus Christ.
There's a mission as a gynecologist, but there's a date. So might be a date with a gynecologist.
No.
Experts in their fields. No, right. Shaw chuir Gerald sin malarkey seanish so you reach out raw. Gur mai
okay.
Shush. Gur mai education is Seansálaithe was the Gary. Actually, club Cheyenne. Gur mai education is the Seansálaithe. Mas Gary much Amsterdam the man hosted the major the Seansálaithe Instagram, the Seansálaithe Twitter, the Seansálaithe YouTube. I see Acklar good Áine Galanta and Shin agus Spotify. I see the Amsterdam we're good pod platformy Fáilte Ella. Mas Gary Áine Amsterdam the man hosted is a shovel broccoli and Asaki. Thig Amsterdam anywhere or Twitter, anywhere or Instagram, anywhere or TikTok. Mas Gary James Amsterdam the man hosted that's more Flatharta or Twitter Flatharta or Instagram I'll go Flatharta or TikTok. I guess Mas Gary Mahane Amsterdam or the man hosted them more Hugh Car here or Twitter Hugh Car here or Instagram. I guess just grab Hugh Car or TikTok. Na Jennigy Jermut go much kind of a genu show bio. Ag féil na galí chundain na bhí racharn Jerry seachtainí níl go dtín híine go le de mí meheh le a hall bíí lin is féidir le a hall the begging to ticket to your file inis agus tá bus fásta actually go Swiss ó club chun na Gaelic that thing be to tasla as but clear listen James take in Cadbury in the end who's made most take and he got me a distracto take bus amshu ó club chun na Gaelic fásta higgin féile mas mai of sin dóibh Michelle she's so Jennigy kinse fai sartal ma we're good formally tastal sort of change of higgin féile cuz be crack dói well ein that go game flog on this solar chamsa agus sin se an Mary West or ní ma date go leis gal well ein that solar chamsa a ri
no
just bring some as Hugh Bika Intal good be Sáilte you know, when you said that's a cushkini sin horty sir national block TG Cahar.
They much live in Shotty Chugging. Eagrán go homlan tá na Seachtainí. But he saw the Jerry shouting it agus Plan.